Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about social etiquette. Etiquette. Whatever. Today we are going to be talking about what is social etiquette. So, what is it? Social etiquette, basically, what it is are uh, rules for polite behavior in society. Okay? They're basically these rules that are used in society and all that stuff, right? It basically tells you how to interact with one another in different settings. It tells you how to interact with other people properly, okay? So, for example, to understand, here are some common social etiquettes, okay? Communication etiquette, okay? Some examples of communication etiquette include speak politely and listen when others are talking, okay? So you have to speak very politely and listen, and again, do not interrupt, okay? Avoid interrupting while they are talking, okay? And listen properly. And maintain an appropriate tone and volume while you are talking as well, and say please, thank you, and I'm sorry when needed, okay, in appropriate situations. Another type of social etiquette is public behavior. These could include don't litter or basically destroy or do anything in public properties, okay? And respect everyone, okay? So basically, respect public property, okay? And keep your phone on silent mode in quiet places, okay? Respect cues, as in don't break the line and stuff like that. Respect, respect areas, silent places or quiet places like libraries, for example. So keep your phone on silent, and don't and that's mainly the basic gist of public behavior, okay? And also don't invade others' personal spaces. That was one thing I forgot, but that's mainly the basic gist of public behavior. Another type of social etiquette is home etiquette. For some examples of this include knocking before entering someone's room, help with chores if you're a guest, and respect of all your household rules. Okay, respect all of that. Those are some home etiquettes. Another type of etiquette is workplace etiquettes. For example, basically, be punctual and professional when speaking. Okay, dress appropriately and acknowledge emails and messages and respect others' time and workplaces. Those are some workplace etiquettes. Another set of etiquettes is dining etiquettes. For example, not let's say. So, some examples of dining etiquette include basically wait for everyone until wait before eating, so don't eat until everyone has been served, okay? Chew with your mouth closed, don't speak with food in your mouth, and thank the host slash the servers, okay? Always be respectful to them. Another type of etiquette is respect for others. For example, treat elders with respect and be kind to children and animals as well. And avoid making fun of people's insecurities, okay? And the final type of etiquette is digital etiquette, okay? So basically, just here's some digital etiquette stuff, such as don't put up all your info online. Don't put all of that. So keep some stuff private, right? You don't want to reveal all your information for everyone to see, right? And avoid using all capitals when typing. It just seems like you're shouting. And be respectful in comments and messages, okay? And also ask before posting pictures of other people, okay? Ask for permission, right? And those are some social etiquettes, and that's basically what social etiquettes are. And that's, well, basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye!